Hey everybody, thank you for tuning in on another video. We are headed to pick up a new toy for the farm today, and we're going to take y'all with us on the road. But anyhow, huge shout out here to Alpha Trailer Rentals, family owned company here in Winchester. Awesome people. Definitely want to promote them and spread the word out on this. So stay tuned and let's hop in the truck and get traveling. We got a long day, 2.5 hours one way. Backing this trailer up. What state we getting ready to pull into, Levi?
Maryland.
Maryland. Here we come.
We're here. Let me show you what we got. There she is. Bob CNC. This trailer has really helped us. The owner put every single bolt and screw in this. Big shout out to Alpha Trailer Rentals for letting us use their trailers. Highly recommend them. Let's go get the front view of it. There's the machine. There's the brain. Right in there. There she is.
Okay, we got sidetracked. Levi's cutting down bamboo.
Didn't realize it was that big, did you?
Okay, I think that's going to fit the trailer.
Yep.
You're going to have to cut it again.
Yep.
Okay, we just left the previous owner's house of this beautiful CNC machine. Back to Virginia we go.
Making a stop.
Come on, we gotta go.
Going to get some lunch right now.
Yeah, Chewy's. Mom's gonna be mad.
Just left Chewy's. I'm pretty full. How about you, Dad?
Oh, I'm stuffed. Them stacked enchiladas, boy. Woo! Double rice. Man, best place to eat in Fairfax, Virginia, though, I'll tell you that.
Yeah.
Now we gotta walk a quarter mile back to the truck and the trailer. Check the straps on the CNC, make sure it's good,
Yep.
and get back to the farm.
Come in here. Checking the straps.
Yep, we're good.
Well,
I can't even move, man.
ooh.
I'm too stuffed. Whew. A big lunch. Oh, stacked enchiladas. I gotta take me a nap.
Alright, y'all. Pulling in the driveway now. Can't believe we finally made it home.
Yeah.
Oh, damn.
Okay, well, y'all got to see us unload it, bring it through. Oh, Levi, grab that box, please, of the bits and the stuff that came with it.
Okay.
Anyway, so y'all got to see all that. There'll be other videos to watch on setup and garage cleanouts and all, but put that on the other side, on top of it.
Okay.
But it's not going to be on the Wild Feather Farm channel. It's actually going to be on another YouTube channel. That will be on VersaLink Solutions YouTube channel. Okay. I'm gonna get this trailer, everything ready, button back up, and get it back over to the rental guy. Just real quick, a little windy out, but Alpha Trailer Rentals, leading the pack in rentals. He provides dollies and straps, and of course a spare, which I'd hope so. Moving blankets, box of straps, moving straps. Very reasonable. What I liked most about this trailer today was this latching system here, you know, on the sides. So you can set your piece of equipment in here, and then put it down in there and put your strap right on it.